proactive English practice.
Can you go faster? I'm late.
I'm trying. There's a traffic jam.
My meeting starts at 8:30.
I know a different route.
Is it faster?
Longer distance, but less traffic.
Take it, please.
Turning now. Hold on.
What time is it?
8:20.
10 minutes. Can we make it?
If this road is clear, yes.
My boss hates when people are late.
Deep breaths. We're moving now.
This is the worst morning.
It'll get better. We're almost there.
I can see the building.
Here you go. 8:28.
2 minutes. Thank you.
Run! You can still make it.
1 cappuccino, please. And a croissant.
Coming right up.
Thank you. I need a calm morning.
Here you go. Enjoy.
Thank you. Wait.
Everything okay?
I ironed Mark's shirt this morning.
Okay.
Did I turn the iron off?
You don't remember?
I was in a hurry. Mark was late.
I'm sure you turned it off.
But what if I didn't?
Can you call someone to check?
I'll call Mark. No answer.
Try again.
He's in his meeting. He never answers.
Can you go home and check?
I have to. I'm sorry. How much?
$4.50. Go, check your iron.
Thank you. I'm sure it's fine. I'm sure.
Hello! I see smoke in my building.
Stay calm, sir. What is your address?
45 Oak Lane, apartment building.
What floor is the smoke on?
4th floor, near apartment 4B.
Is there fire or just smoke?
I see smoke under the door.
Do not open the door.
I won't. What do I do?
Leave the building immediately.
Okay. But what about the people inside?
Are the residents home?
I don't know. I knocked. No answer.
The firefighters will check. Go outside.
Okay, I'm leaving.
Firefighters are on the way.
How long?
5 minutes. Stay away from the building.
Please hurry.
Mark, focus. The deadline is Friday.
I know. I'm working on it.
Your phone is buzzing again.
Ignore it. It's probably spam.
That's the fourth time, Mark.
The meeting is more important.
Are you sure? 4 calls in a row?
Lisa sometimes calls about small things.
4 times is not a small thing.
I'll call back after the meeting.
Okay, let's finish the report.
Where were we? Page 6?
Page 6, the budget section.
It's buzzing again.
That's 5 times, Mark.
5?
Maybe you should check.
After the meeting. It can wait.
If you say so, page 6.
Page 6. Okay, let's continue.
Come on, pick up.
Are you okay?
My phone has no signal down here.
The subway blocks the signal.
I need to call my husband. It's urgent.
Try near the exit. Better signal there.
Near the exit? Where?
Over there, by the stairs.
Thank you.
Is everything okay?
I think I left the iron on at home.
Oh no. How long ago?
Almost 2 hours.
Go to the exit. Try calling from there.
Still no answer. He's not picking up.
Text him. Texts sometimes go through.
Call me. Urgent. Iron. Sent.
Good. Now get home fast.
Thank you. I'm so scared.
Stay calm. It might be fine.
Sir, are you the one who called?
Yes, I'm from the 5th floor.
You said smoke on the 4th floor?
Yes, apartment 4B. Under the door.
Did everyone leave the building?
I told everyone on my floor.
What about the 4th floor?
I knocked on 4B. Nobody answered.
Do you know who lives there?
Mark and Lisa, a young couple.
Are they at work?
I think so. I haven't seen them today.
Good. We're going inside now.
Is it a big fire?
We'll find out. Please stay back.
Can I wait here?
Behind the yellow tape. Stay safe.
I hope they're okay.
We'll check now. Stay behind the tape. Mr. Chen! Sorry I missed your calls.
Mark, where are you?
At work! What happened?
There was smoke in the building.
Smoke? Where?
From your apartment, 4B.
Our apartment? Are you serious?
The firefighters are here right now.
Firefighters? Oh my God!
Nobody was inside. Don't panic.
Is Lisa there? Is she okay?
I haven't seen her.
She's not home? I need to find her.
She might be on her way.
I'm leaving now. I'm coming.
Mark, stay calm. Drive carefully.
Is the fire bad?
I don't know yet. They're inside now.
I'll be there in 20 minutes.
Be safe, Mark. We'll be here.
Excuse me. I live in that building.
Which apartment?
4B. That's my apartment.
I'm sorry. You cannot go inside.
But that's my home.
The firefighters are working. It's not safe.
What happened? Is there a fire?
There was smoke in your apartment.
Smoke? Oh no. Oh no.
Do you know what caused it?
The iron. I think I left the iron on.
The iron. Okay. I'll tell the firefighters.
Is anyone hurt?
Nobody was inside. Nobody is hurt.
Thank God.
You can wait over there. It's safe.
I need to call my husband.
Call from the safe area. Stay behind the tape.
This is all my fault.
Stay calm. The firefighters are in control.
That's my building. Let me through.
Sir, I can't let you pass.
I live there. Apartment 4B.
4B? That's the apartment with the smoke.
I know. My wife might be in there.
Nobody is inside the apartment.
Are you sure?
The firefighters checked. It's empty.
Where is my wife? Lisa!
Is she tall? Brown hair?
Yes.
She's in the safe area. Over there.
She's here? She's okay?
She's okay. She arrived 10 minutes ago.
Thank you. Thank you.
Go to the safe area. Stay behind the tape.
I see her. Lisa!
Sir, walk. Don't run.
Lisa! Lisa!
Mark? Oh my God.
Are you okay? Are you hurt?
I'm okay. I'm okay. Are you?
I'm fine. I was so worried.
I tried to call you 7 times.
I was in the meeting. I didn't check.
I was so scared, Mark.
Me too. When Mr. Chen called,
I know. It's the iron. I left it on.
the iron?
Your shirt. I ironed your shirt this morning.
Lisa,
I was in a hurry. I forgot to turn it off.
It doesn't matter.
It does. It's my fault.
Lisa, you're safe, I'm safe. That's all.
But the apartment.
We can fix the apartment. I can't replace you.
Mark,
Come here. It's okay. We're okay. Excuse me. Can you tell me about 4B?
4B? Yes, the fire is out.
How bad is the damage?
The bedroom has smoke damage.
Just the bedroom?
The fire started there. We stopped it fast.
What started it?
An iron, left on the dresser.
The dresser caught fire?
The heat burned the surface. Then smoke.
Can we go inside?
Not yet, maybe tomorrow.
Can we get our documents? Our laptop?
Tomorrow morning. With a building inspector.
Where do we sleep tonight?
Do you have family nearby?
No, we'll go to a hotel.
Good. Call your insurance company too.
Insurance. Okay, thank you.
You're lucky. Nobody was hurt.
I know. We're very lucky.
I can't believe this day.
The worst Monday in history.
It was my fault, Mark. The iron.
Stop saying that.
But it's true. I forgot.
Lisa, we are safe. That is the most important thing.
The bedroom is ruined.
The bedroom can be fixed.
Our things.
Things are just things.
My photos. My books.
Most of the apartment is okay.
The firefighter said smoke damage.
Only the bedroom. The rest is fine.
I feel so stupid.
You're not stupid. You were in a hurry.
I'll never leave the iron on again.
I know you won't.
Where do we sleep tonight?
I booked a hotel. 2 nights.
2 nights?
Tomorrow, we talk to the building manager.
And then?
And then we fix the bedroom. Together.
Together.
Lisa,
Yes?
I'm glad you're safe.
I'm glad you're safe too.
We lost a room, but we didn't lose each other.